Hi, Dr. Johnny Bowden here, board-certified nutritionist and best-selling author, and I'm back with more myth-busting information about one of the hottest products currently in the health space, black seed oil. Now, when you're looking for a black seed oil product, it's really important to know how much Thymoquinone is actually in it. It should tell you that right on the label, so look for it. Ideally, you're looking for a product that's standardized for 3% Thymoquinone, but that's not all you're looking for. The second critical factor, equally important, is the percentage of free fatty acids. Now, free fatty acids form in black seed oil because of oxidation that happens during the extraction and the processing, so you don't want your free fatty acid content to be too high because that will increase the rancidity of the product and it will deplete the effectiveness of the Thymoquinone over time. The proprietary process in which Thymoquin is produced delivers a standardized level of 3% Thymoquinone and maintains low levels of free fatty acids at the same time, less than 2%, because that ratio protects the Thymoquinone and offers significantly higher bioavailability, which means you get significantly greater results. The main takeaway: check the label for both Thymoquinone and free fatty acids. They really make a difference.